In this week's Fresh Produce Market Overview, we discuss the latest price movements with potato prices 36% lower currently than last year the same time, while onion and carrot prices gained some momentum over the past week again. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. The Outlook is made possible by Standard Bank, that plays a crucial role across the full agribusiness value chain, from what happens on the farm and beyond the farm gate, right up to when the farm's product reaches the retailer shelves. Because of this, they understand the full agriculture ecosystem and the trends and risks across the sector, and they're able to give guidance on the right finance, insurance, and working capital solutions at every stage. Standard Bank, it can be.
Was the Hilux born a legend? No, it was made one by you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Fresh Produce Market Overview, where we look at the latest prices and trends in the agricultural sector of South Africa. The exchange rate weakened again and traded on 15.29 Rand per US dollar, which could push up commodity prices but fuel prices as well. Luckily, the Brent crude oil price decreased to $81.56 a barrel, which can bring some relief to these higher prices. Looking at the vegetable industry, the potato price decreased by 22% to 38.26 per 10 kilogram bag and is 36% lower than a year ago, with volumes about 17% higher. We are expecting this price to stay on a lower level due to low demand and higher volumes expected for this week. The latest tomato price increased by 9% to 7.73 Rand per kilogram last week. This price can also decrease over the next week, mostly due to lower expected demand on the markets. The carrot price continued on its upward movement and increased by 13% to 2.99 Rand, with volumes decreasing by 18% the week on week. Over the coming week, this price can stagnate due to lower expected demand, but the expectation is still that this price can increase as we move closer to Christmas. The latest onion price increased to 3.33 Rand per kilogram, with volumes sold decreasing by 28% week on week. This price can move slightly downward or sideways over the coming 2 weeks or so, mostly due to low demand. Other vegetable prices traded as follows. Cabbage prices decreased to 2.84 Rand, garlic prices increased to 47.62 Rand, spinach prices increased to 2.30 Rand, sweet potato prices decreased to 4.31 Rand, while the latest pepper price decreased by 15% to 11.25 Rand per kilogram last week. This was mostly due to lower red and yellow pepper prices, while green pepper prices actually showed an increase the past week. This section was brought to you by Nile Marketplace. Nile provides an online platform to buy fresh produce directly from SA's leading farmers. The platform provides a single dashboard that shows live prices and availability for a wide range of fresh produce. As a buyer, you get access to high quality produce from well-known farmers at farm gate prices. Fresh produce trading has never been this efficient. Learn more at Nile.ag. Last week, the banana price increased to 9.44 Rand, with volumes sold decreasing by 10% week on week. Seasonal trends indicate that this price can decrease over the next 2 weeks due to higher volumes and lower expected demand. The average apple price increased by 5% to 8.27 Rand, with the pear price increasing by 9% to 9.39 Rand per kilogram. Both these prices can stay on a high level for this month at least, with pear prices especially that can decrease from December onwards. In the citrus market, the latest orange price continued to increase and traded 8% higher on 4.94 Rand per kilogram. Low demand over the next 2 weeks can result in these prices to move sideways in spite of lower volumes currently on the markets. The latest lemon price traded 10% higher on 5.88 Rand per kilogram. The avocado price stayed constant on 28.69 Rand per kilogram last week. Although the price can stay sideways this week, we are expecting support towards the end of the month and prices that can increase, especially from there onwards. Table grape prices decreased to 50 Rand 8 cents per kilogram and can continue to decrease from here on out as volumes are likely to increase significantly on the markets. The latest pineapple price decreased by 11% to 7 Rand 65 per kilogram, with the blueberry price trading 67% higher last week on 39 Rand 54 per kilogram. Blueberry volumes decreased by 39% week on week, and we have seen a correction from last week's price decline. Make sure to contact Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile Marketplace and Halfway Toyota. I'm Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.